Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 6.1, which is related to lines and angles. Lesson 6. In that sequence, your first question is, in the given figure, this figure is given in the book. In the given figure, angle AOC plus angle BOE. Angle AOC plus angle BOE, sum of these two angles is equal to 70 degree, and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. These are given informations for this question. You find out angle BOE, this angle, and reflex angle POE. First you find angle POE, then you find reflex angle COE, means this angle. Then here is relation, angle AOC and angle BOD both are equal due to the property vertically opposite angle, because AB and CD intersect at point O. These are made up with two lines which intersect at point O. Then you write down angle AOC is equal to angle BOD by property vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. Angle BOD is 40 degree, then you put the value here, you get angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Then you want to find angle BOE, you put this value in this equation. You write angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Then angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. That is equal to 30 degree. Means angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. This is your first answer, angle BOE. Then for second part, angle POE, first you find angle POE, then you find reflex angle POE. For finding this value, you write down angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree by straight line property or linear pair FG. Linear pair FG. You write the value of angle AOC and angle BOE because these are solved here. Then you write down angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, angle POE is not known, plus angle BOE is equal to 30 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Means 40 and 30 70 degree, 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Then angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Then we find out reflex angle POE. Reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus angle COE, that is equal to 110 degree, that is equal to 250 degree. This is your second answer. Question number 2. In the given figure, here is figure. X, Y and MN intersect at point O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2:3, find angle P. Find the value of C. I have angle POI 90 degree. Relation between A and B is equal to 2:3. Ratio 2:3. Then find the angle. Find the value of C. C is the measurement of angle XON. Then first of all, I write here, let A and B be 2x and 3x. 2x and 3x. Ratio is here given 2:3. Then I write here, let A and B be 2x and 3x. Then A plus B plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree by the straight line property or linear pair axis. By straight line property. A is 2x, B is 3x, and angle POI is equal to 90 degree. This is 180 degree. 5x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 5x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. This is transpose here. 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree upon 5, that is 80 degree. You get the value of x, then you find out the value of A and B respectively, putting the value of x in 2x and 3x. Then you write down here, A is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 80 degree, that is 36 degree. B is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 80 degree, that is 54 degree. You find the value of C. Then you write down B plus C is equal to 180 degree by straight line property. Because MN is a straight line, then sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Put the value of P here. 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Then C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. That is equal to 10 minus 4, 6 and 7 minus 5, 2, 126 degree. It is your answer. C is equal to 126 degree.